Good morning, YouTube. It's day 6. Yeah, day 6 on our hike. We've got about 8 miles to go, and we're going to roll into Katahdin Stream Campground and get picked up. We're pretty excited to go back to civilization, go out to dinner, sleep in a regular bed. This is where camp was. It's all gone now. It should be a light mileage day. I think we call in a couple audibles. Rob's knee's hurting him, so he's gonna stay at A-Ball Bridge and get picked up there, and then I think the rest of us are gonna take the Blueberry Cutoff, which will chop some mileage down today to get back to Katahdin Stream. So all in all, I'm guessing 8.5 maybe miles today. Should be nice. Rain held off all night, and it looks like so far we're probably going to get to where we need to be before the rain starts this evening. So should be good. We'll see you down the trail. Well, we made it. I believe we have exited the 100-mile wilderness, and we see the sign. It's a long haul. Bring lots of food. No resupplies. Its difficulty should not be underestimated.
Hell yeah.
We would agree. All right, well, we're knocking off miles. We're about 3 in so far on the day, and it's early. We're about to pull into A-Ball Bridge and go check out and see if the store is open. Well, this hike has got decidedly less interesting now that we've been spit out onto a road. 100-mile wilderness is over. They're gonna punch you in the face with walking a road. Okay. If you're wondering how your blisters were doing, here's half a mile of blacktop to make you happy. Look what we got here. There it is.
You can see A-Ball slide pretty close up. It's freaking awesome.
Amazing.
You feel the bridge shots?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's that? Oh.
Do you see ours? I don't see ours. I don't see any sign of life in there though.
No.
So like, I doubt they're opening anytime soon. Absolutely nothing is to be consumed prior to purchase.
8 o'clock. I tried to open that and check what time they open, but I couldn't see. They were low.
Another view. Katahdin. Can't see the top. We are now in Baxter State Park, and we're gonna do the last roughly 5 miles, 4 and some change. We were able to make some adjustments to our shuttle schedule, and we really appreciate how flexible everyone over at Shaw's is. Kay and Rob had messaged Hippie Chick last night asking to make arrangements for Rob to get picked up because his knee was bugging him at A-Ball Bridge. And they were good with that, but then we got to A-Ball Bridge this morning and he's feeling pretty good and optimistic about being able to finish the rest of the hike. So we sent a note to Hippie Chick on the Garmin, checking if it wasn't too late, that he'll continue as originally planned and they don't need to go out of their way to pick him up ahead of time, and then told her we're also tracking to arrive earlier than thought, so if it were possible, feel free to come earlier, otherwise we'll see you at the original time. And they were good on both accounts. Starting to rain, but so far not too bad.
Putting on my frog tide.
Blueberry ledges.
Give me through.
Rainy. Oh, looks like some cool rapids down there. Right down that way at the end of this trail. We are almost done, but we are wet and cold. Wet and cold. Got a quarter mile.
Hey, it was a half mile, I thought.
Yeah, got shorter. Quarter mile. And then we're gonna get picked up at 1 o'clock. It's about 11:40 now. So we're a little early. Yeah, if we don't lose anyone to hypothermia, we'll get a ride. Well, I think we are signing off. This is the end of the trail for us. We're just waiting to get picked up. It's cold and rainy, but we're mostly dry now. Waiting for Mike to take us back to Shaw's, where there's a plan. So, all right, thanks for joining us as always. Till next time.
Peace out.